This is Sean Sullivan, and this is part 2 of my transformation videos. So, where we left off is we had to show how these transformations can be applied to really parent functions. So, let's say I had this parent function of f(x) equals x cubed. So if we were to write this as a transformation, this transformation would be f(x) equals a x minus h cubed plus k. And if you don't remember what these mean, so these all have meanings. Like a means vertical stretch, which really just means it's stretching vertically. And h really means just to move horizontally. If we can reflect on those past notes, to reflect horizontally. If you guys can remember what k means, it means, so h means to move horizontally, and then k means to move vertically. So this would be applied. So let me give you guys another example of a parent function and its transformation. So here is f of x equals the absolute value of x. So instead, this would now be, this transformed would be f of x equals a absolute value of x minus h plus k. Makes sense? H A K, H A K. AHK, AHK. Kind of makes sense. And then vertical stretch is that A. To move horizontally is that H. And K is to move vertically. So here's a good example. So let's say you got the transformation f(x) equals 2 to the absolute value of x plus 3 minus 1. So if you just looked at this and saw this and was like, I have no idea how to do this or what it would look like on a graph, what it would really look like is this 2, since it's a vertical stretch, would be stretched vertically. So up and down, stretched vertically up and down by 3. And then this plus 3 would really mean just on a graph, on the graph, it would shift to the left. By how many? By 3. Oh, I apologize. I meant a vertical stretch of 2. Because this is 2. So I apologize for that mistake. Sorry. And so this would be a shift to the left by 3. And then for this third one, let's say this one's -1. So -1 would really mean we would go down. We would vertically go down. We would go down vertically on a graph by 1. Doesn't that make more sense? So this kind of shows these parent functions and how they would look like on a graph and like what these actually mean. Because these are just symbols all around it if you don't really know what these actually mean and how they look with the symbols. So, thank you.